Hi again, Gary Pia here with another principle every investor should know. Some things are just too difficult or stressful to do on your own. Like a nutritionist or a personal trainer, a financial advisor can help set up the right plan for you and then monitor and motivate you so you end up with the results that you want. There are 4 benefits in working with an advisor. The first one is competence, providing the critical things that drive successful long-term outcomes, including financial planning, asset allocation, rebalancing, and collaborating with your other financial professionals. The second benefit is coaching, providing education and guidance through the emotions of investing, which can lead us to compromise long-term goals. The third benefit is the convenience of delegating the time-consuming and complex process of investing to your advisor. The fourth benefit is continuity. Having someone who knows your wishes and your goals, who can preserve your legacy and protect those you care about most in case something happens to you. So remember, choosing a financial advisor is one of the most important decisions you can make.